Hi, Crafty Friends. Lacey here at the Cheeky Bum, and I'm here with October's Scrub Diva release, or Scrub Diva's October release, which is holiday themed. The holiday being Christmas. So these are super exciting, and I can't wait to show you. Again, these will drop October 3rd for this release. Make sure you're following hashtag Scrap Diva Designs so that you can see what everybody on the design team makes. But not only that, anybody that happens to use the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs, so you can get more, inspiration. A lot of these dyes can be used in so many different ways, in some ways you might not think of. So definitely make sure that you follow that. Also, I will link everything down below as soon as it's available. There will be a link down in the description that's an affiliate link that will take you right there. And if you use code CheekyBum, it will save yourself 10%. So let's get into it. There is some really cute stuff in here. Really, really cute. This first one is a storage jar shaker. Look how cute these are. You get 2 different sizes. And you get your little goodies to go in here. There's gingerbread, there's gumdrops, there's peppermints, there is pretzels and marshmallows. These are so cute. I love how the top of this is, because this is going to make a perfect gift tag for something. Or you can make like a little flip book, so many different things, but these are really, really cute. I like this. And I'm already even thinking of Halloween inspiration for these as well, because I'm still on spooky crafting. And I'm thinking I could put Halloween candies in here. I can even put some eyeballs in here. I can do all kinds of spooky little treats in here. So these are fun, and I can't wait to play with them. I feel like this one is definitely going to be a popular one. There is always, every year, there's some kind of a baking swap. There is some kind of gingerbread swap. Not only that, like, gingerbread is so like iconically like Christmas time frame, so these will make great gift cards and like just tags, so many different things. I'm brimming with ideas. I can't even tell you all the ideas. So these are the storage jar shaker. Next we have 2 sets of words, but they're the same words, so they're the same words, just different fonts. So we get a scripted font, and then we get a printed font. And then they just have a single shadow layer. But the words are, we have baking cookies, everything nice, gingerbread, sugar and spice, bakery, gingy, cafe, and house. Now, this took me forever to figure out because it was upside down. And I already had stickers on, and I was doing these first, and I didn't realize they were the same words. Otherwise, I would have realized this was house a lot faster. But this is upside down, and I thought this was a Y, and I could not figure out what this letter was for the life of me. It took me a while, way too long. I probably shouldn't even tell you guys that. But these are really cute. I really like, we all like our words, especially having more like gingerbready type of words and baking words. These will go really well with all the baking dyes that came out last holiday season. You can mix and match these really well. So great words. And I like that you get 2 different fonts, or you can pick and choose which font you want. Next up, I didn't even tell you. So these are they're called gingerbread script or gingerbread words. You're going to see lots of gingerbread stuff. Next, we have the gingerbread, or 3D gingerbread jelly tote. So here's our tote. All of the sides of her tote usually have the cutouts as well. What one did we get last Christmas? Was it an elf shoe? An elf shoe? I think so. I think it was an elf shoe. Or was that Halloween? Was it a witch boot? I mean, they both look pretty similar. I want to say that one. I can't remember. But anyway, these are really cute. Everybody loves gingies. And just think, like, when you cut this out, you're going to have all these little gingies that you can use to do as like table scatter, or to put in swap boxes as like little sequin bits or whatever. That's really cute. I like that a lot. So this is 3D gingerbread jelly tote. Next up, we have this is gingerbread nesting set. So I think you get 2 sets. like 2 different sizes. There might be more. There's 2 pages, so there could be some bigger ones on the next page, or at least one set of bigger ones. I didn't open it. I should have. But yes, gingies, they have eyelashes, so they're little girl gingies. I don't know if there's bows or not, but you get your little icing pieces. So cute. So gingerbread nesting set. Next up are these peppermints. These are so cute, peppermint candies. And I just seen this morning that Marissa, the Pink Ape, made these and made them Halloween themed. So yes, peppermint candy can be used all year. Think like all the holidays, because you just change up the colors. Like you could even use this for 4th of July and make them, you know, red, white, and blue. Why not? But they're so cute. They're good size. I think this one is like 4 inches and this one is just over 3 inches. Yeah, 4 inches. And this one's just a hair over 3 inches. So good size peppermint candies. And then here we have heart peppermint shakers, peppermint heart candy shakers. And you get 4 different sizes. So these are adorable. Think of all the color combinations you can do. You don't have to make them shaker. You can just make them heart peppermints. So many. The possibilities are endless. These will make really cute tags. You could turn these into little mini cards, especially this bigger heart. Same way with the peppermints. You can turn the peppermints into little cards. I try to make everything into a card if I can. I don't know why, but I do. Next up, we have an elf shaker shoe. How cute are these? It's already got the little holes, so these are going to make perfect little gift tags. And you can fill it up with little shaker bits. You get your little, you know, the little elf sock top thing, but these are so cute. So elf shoe shaker, and this one I'm super excited for. This is the Santa book memory decks, but it's just, you know, it doesn't have to be Santa. I'm just thinking, I'm a book lover, so I'm thinking this could be any book for any kind of book related swap. I'm thinking this could be spooky stories or scary stories, like so many different things. You get a little present with it, and it says wish list. So this is really cute. I'm super excited about this. I just hosted a Harry Potter swap, and this could have been really cute for said Harry Potter swap, but how cute. So super excited. Santa book memory decks. And then this one is a Santa mini album. He's going to be cute. I mean, he's got heart glasses. You already know that he's going to be a little Santa heartthrob. So cute. So Santa mini album. And of course, any kind of mini album you can turn into so many different things. You don't have to use the album portion. You can turn them into cards, boxes, so many different things. This is a gingerbread shaker. This one's going to be cute. This one's going to be so cute to turn into an easel card or a shaped card. I love shaped cards. I love easel cards. I like to make anything into a card that I can, because my friends and family love getting cards that are shaped or interactive or just cute. So I know that this one's going to be cute. It looks like you get a bow. I see holly and berries and buttons. So you know that this one is going to be stinking adorable. Again, that's a gingerbread shaker. Super excited for this too. It says fa la la. I love that. That is one of my favorite holiday phrases or sayings, whatever you want to call it. I love fa la la. These are really cute, and it's like triple matted, so you can get a lot of dimension out of here. You can use it in so many different ways. You can skip a mat. Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just this big one. So these guys are just double matted. This guy, the bigger one, is triple matted. Cute. I like this. I like it a lot, because if you didn't want, you could skip out on a couple of the mats so you can see more of the background if you wanted. So many different possibilities. These will be really cute on some cards as well. So fa la la. This is a fireplace mini album. Oh, this is going to be really cute too. You know it's going to be cute. This will be perfect to make little albums for gifts, because it's a good size. Like not too big, not too small. I already see little logs. I see little Christmas lights. So it's 2 pages. So it probably has stuff to decorate your mantle with. This is going to be cute. Again, you could take off the this piece, the card piece or the album piece, and turn it into a little card, or you can use this for a front of a box. So many different possibilities. Again, that is a fireplace mini album. Next up, it looks like lollipops. Yep, peppermint lollipops with bows. How cute are these? You get 2 different sizes. Here's your little bow pieces. I'm already thinking this needs to be little spooky, you know, suckers, I think. Yes, I think so. These are going to be really cute. So cute. And then we have rosettes, candy cane rosette duo. So you get 2 different sizes of rosette. I really like these because not only do you get your base piece that is a standard rosette that you can make for anything. So these are good just pieces to have in your stash. And then you get your candy cane or peppermint bit to go on top. So these can be cute. So many different color combinations you can use with these. I like this little size as well. So these are, like, I can tell you. So this looks like 1 inch and 1.5 inches. Oh, this is just over 1 inch, 1.25 inches. So this is going to make a 2.5 inch rosette. And then this one is 1.5 inches. So this will make a 3 inch rosette. So very, very cute. Again, that's a candy cane rosette duo. So such a cute release. Everybody loves holiday crafting, and it's not like overly like Christmas. It's very like winter baking. Like all of these, like a lot of these, I wouldn't say all, but a lot of these will go very well with her release from last holiday season. So if you have any of the baking dies from last year, all of this stuff will go really well with that. There, like I said, there's always a gingerbread swap every year. There's always baking swaps and just Christmas in general. So even if you don't celebrate Christmas, you still like holiday baking and crafting. You can still use a lot of these. So cute. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, this will be released October 3rd. And again, make sure you're following #ScrapDivaDesign so you can see all the cool things that everybody makes. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.